We're here in Mali, in the Sinsina Village, in the Motherkind clinic. Here is Canoe, here is Odette, and we're surrounded by 35 pregnant women. They're feeling happy and excited because they get to have this clinic. I get to hold this beautiful baby girl because beautiful mama here delivered her in this mother care facility. A big responsibility. Mom and dad, they want me to name this beautiful baby. And I'm thinking, what can I name her? And the only name that comes to mind is Mariam. Beautiful baby Mariam. This village has 3,500 inhabitants and over 17 moms deliver per month in this clinic. Imagine not having it. Not only that, but so many moms in different villages come as well because they have this clinic here. And that's so powerful. If there's an emergency, no worry. Why? Because there's an ambulance. This ambulance goes from home to home in case there is a woman that needs specific care and brings them here. The baby's safe, the mom is safe, the family is happy. And that's the beauty and the gift of life. Today, we're going to be delivering motherhood kits for them to start their motherhood journeys with love and care. And that's all thanks to your zakah and to your sadaqah. This is where it's going, and this is all possible because of you. So jazakumullah khair.